Brazilian cuisine is a tapestry woven with diverse influences, and galinhada stands as a testament to the rich cultural heritage. A comforting blend of chicken and rice, this dish has been cherished through generations for its simplicity and robust flavors. To begin, we're going to need about 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I'm using bone and skin on chicken thighs for maximum flavor as opposed to boneless and skinless chicken. We're going to marinate our chicken with 2 teaspoons each of kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and cumin powder. Massage these into the chicken using the hands, ensuring each piece of chicken is coated with the seasoning. We're going to marinate this for 30 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare our saffron water by adding 10 to 15 strands of saffron into half a cup of hot water. You can immediately see the color of the water changing from the saffron. Set this aside for 15 minutes for maximum color absorption. I'm using a Dutch oven today for cooking this. Any deep bottom utensil will work. I'm going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil and heat this on medium-high. We're going to sear that chicken skin side down first in batches. We don't want to reduce the temperature in the pan by overcrowding it. Leave it to sear for 4 minutes till you develop a nice golden brown crust on the skin. If you don't see this color, do not flip it. Leave this to sear on the meat side for another 4 minutes, keeping your heat on medium-high. After they're done searing, rest them in another plate or tray and repeat with the rest of the chicken. Once you have all of your chicken seared, let's move on to cooking the rice. In the same pan, with all of the leftover flavorful bits, we're adding 1 diced white onion and 1 diced green bell pepper. I'm going to saute this for 3 to 4 minutes till the onions are translucent and the peppers are soft. A little bit of kosher salt to help them get going, after which we're going to add 3 chopped up cloves of garlic and give it a quick saute. It's now time to add our rice into the pan, and I'm going with 2 cups of basmati rice, which isn't traditionally used, but feel free to use any long grain rice. I'm going to saute our rice for a couple of minutes, getting it nice and toasty while absorbing the flavors from the garlic and the leftover fond from searing the chicken. After toasting our rice for a couple of minutes, we're now going to add half a cup of a dry white wine like a Chardonnay that I'm using here. Cook this till the wine is completely evaporated, after which we're adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and giving this a quick mix. It's time now to add our saffron water, and you will see the rice taking on the hue from the saffron immediately, and this golden color only gets better as it cooks. We're now going to add a bay leaf into the mix for additional flavor. Just going to give it a quick mix before adding 2 chopped Roma tomatoes and a half a cup of frozen peas. Next, I'm going to season this with a tablespoon of salt before adding 3 cups of chicken stock. Now only season this if your stock doesn't have salt. Make sure to check the ingredients at the back. I'm quickly going to give this a stir so that there's even distribution of the rice and it's below all of the liquid. We're now going to place our chicken on top of the rice. As the rice cooks, our chicken will continue cooking and come up to temp, and the juices from the chicken will flow into the rice, making it so much more delicious. We're now going to cover this with the lid and allow this to cook for 15 minutes on medium-low till our rice is done. And after 15 minutes, you can see our rice is perfectly done and all the moisture has been absorbed. Now what I like to do is, just because the chicken has been steaming along with the rice, I like to take it out and place it on a baking sheet and lay it under the broiler for about 5 minutes just to get that skin back and crispy again. There's nothing worse than eating soggy chicken skin. To finish, we're simply going to top up our rice with a generous portion of chopped up spring onions and give it a delicate mix to spread it all around. Finally, I'm going to plate a serving for myself. Grab some of the rice, and I'm adding extra spring onions because I love the flavor and crunch it brings, which really comes down to your own preferences. Once your chicken is done in the broiler, grab a portion of that and enjoy it with the rice. And there it is, our labor of love, Galanyara. The vibrant colors and aromatic blend of spices are a feast for the senses. Whether you're sharing it with your family or enjoying a quiet moment, this dish brings people together in the true spirit of Brazilian hospitality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes from around the world. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep exploring the world one recipe at a time.